What's up, everybody? Alrighty, so since we moved here, we haven't had a TV. So what I did is I stopped by Walmart and made sure that I got one. My wife doesn't know, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out, and then show her. Go ahead and ring the doorbell, and hopefully they're the ones to answer. It's 50-inch. Let's see the range.
Whoa! What the husband?
What, girl?
That's a big TV. Sammy, there's your puppy. Hi, puppy.
Hi, Sham.
Papi, mi hija me la que compró papi. Wow.
Ah.
Husband.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, Sham. Hey, what are you doing, Benjamin? Hey, well.
Hello.
How you doing, my love?
Hi, papi. Hello, my papi.
You willing?
Hello.
My cute stuff.
Tu papi, it's me, Nino. No. 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 Ben. Look, Benjamin's doing it too. Benjamin too.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Mine.
Oh, my goodness. What's up, everybody? A little unboxing that we got here. We got many more of these. I have some more downstairs, but brought this one up here so I can unwrap it. I was excited to see them, so let's open it up. Forgot what price I got them for, but these are gonna sell. They are the 80th anniversary of Avengers, I believe. The Monopoly game, Marvel's 80 years. Look at that. New. Sell for $49.99. I got them for about, I'm not too quite sure, but I think I got them for like $9 a piece. So you can see there, they were selling for 50 bucks. They're selling anywhere from 35 to 40 on eBay and Amazon. And we have 22 of these, I believe. So that's pretty cool. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Whoa, Gordo. Picking this one up right now on OfferUp. Sold 75 bucks. And we also got this delivered right now. Might sell it, might keep it, we'll see. Peace. There it is, 75. Money. What's up, everyone? We're here at Walmart. I ordered these online. They were about $8.50. I grabbed 4 of them, picked them up today. Selling for about $30. Portable rolling garment rack. Alright, guys, so I seen this on Save with Felix on Instagram. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. They have them popping up for $5, but right now these are showing up for 17. These are selling for about 50 plus shipping on eBay. So go ahead and grab maybe 2. I have this Coca-Cola one up here too, but that one's not showing for that price, so we might leave that one. Check it out, guys. This Power Rangers right here. Check it out. Right now they have them on clearance here on Walmart. Regular price is about 20 bucks. Right now they have them for 11, but this one in particular is selling for about 35 on eBay, so we're gonna go ahead and take it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Este es para ti? ¿Y quién es este? ¿Quién es este? ¿The Benjamin toy? Okay. También este, okay, este es de Sammy. Ah, the Sammy Piggy. What's up, everybody? So we got it here at home. Just cleaned her up a bit here. So we're gonna put this one right here on our desk and show you how this bad boy comes. So it's supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be fit 6 cans like that. So here it is, wrapped up. Comes with that mini beverage refrigerator manual. Which is pretty cool. You can take it around like that. Oh wow, that's pretty badass. Alright, so let's you twist it here. Alright, nice. Alright, so yep, it has 2 different cords. One for the car that you can connect onto the car, and one for your house. Alright. See this one here? And then this one that you can connect on your car, which check out our setup. Oh, she's nuts. Alright. So we got Sam's applesauce. We also have Sam's fruit. So this is for like the nighttime, or like when she wakes up or she wants a snack in the middle of the day and we're up here. I'm telling you, once she starts crying, that's it. You better run downstairs and grab something, or you better have something right there. And her water. She needs to drink more water. And the ones we just grabbed from Walmart. One for me and one for my wifey. And this one is a strawberry banana for Samsung. That's how it looks, guys. Let's see if it gets cold. Let's see how cold it gets.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, everybody? Beautiful day. I just got word that there is a big sale at Walmart on toys. So we're gonna go check that out real quick on clearance. And there are some DVD players that are about $30. And they're on clearance for $7. And I checked the website, and this one has about more than 6 available, so we're gonna go pick those up. You can easily sell those for $20 a pop on OfferUp and make some money on that. So hopefully there's a lot of those, and I'll pick them all up and see how much we can make on those. So yeah, guys, let's go check out what they got, and we'll see. So we're here at Walmart. We ended up getting one. It wasn't really scanning as $7 for this one, but everything looked pretty good. So he went ahead and price matched this one, but only for one. So I got this one for $7. Not bad, not bad. Let's see what else we can find. Hey! Check it out, guys. Got these in today. Let's go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna unbox them real quick, check them out. See if you're interested. I'll leave the link below. Alright. Check them out, guys. See if you like them. Comes in this nice little bag there. Wow. Wow. Check it out. Can you see that? The quality of these, I love it already. So yeah, guys, this is like a little mini, not a backpack, almost like a backpack, but with the one strap across. So it's nice, feels good, looks good, clips on there. Check it out, opens here. Has some nice little pockets in there. It's pretty big for being a little sling bag. Pocket there. Zipper here. Can't really see, but nice little compartment in the front there. Another one here. It does have for the charger there, which has a cable in here. That's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, check the link in the bio, guys. If you guys want one, I only have 6 available. Check it out. Peace. What's up, everybody? New day, another $1, baby. We're going to storage here. Haven't been here for a while. A lot of the stuff I've been selling I've had with me, so I haven't brought a lot of stuff to the storage. But somebody's coming on OfferUp right now to buy something I do have in storage, which is a Zurg and a Buzz Lightyear toy. Have those up on OfferUp for $35. Trying to get rid of them. I bought a lot during Black Friday. They're selling slowly, but as long as they sell, we're good. Could sell them for more, but 35 is a good price still for me, so getting rid of it. I'll show you right now, guys. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's one of these here. Grabbing this one, taking it. So you grab a random one from here. Also, someone was hitting me up to see if I have any other Laker shorts. 2 mediums. Gonna take these with me just in case somebody wants to buy them. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Turn that off. Let's get this money, yo. Let's go. Let's go. Get this money, yo. Sam. You hi?
Yeah, Bubba.
Let's see me, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, what the heck you wearing, SpongeBob? You wearing shorts?
No one shot.
No one short. This one.
No, he said no. Wait a minute, here or no?
Shot.
Apenas me bañé.
So what, girl? Check it out, check it out. Inventory growing. Getting that money. Like they say, guys, why save money when they keep printing it? There's no need to save it. Put it somewhere, make more money, get it. If you ain't making money. Peace. Check it out, guys. These are the fridges that we just got. Gallons, 3.5 cubic feet. So I got 2 of them. Here they are, guys. They're this big, pretty big. Nice. So we got 2 of them. We're selling one of them. We're gonna use one, and then we're gonna sell it used after. So yeah, guys, we got the 2 fridges. Let's see how fast they sell. And if you haven't seen the racks, the clothing racks we picked up too, got 4 of those. So yeah, guys, chill, let's go. Here's a little fridge. This is a freezer right here. Pretty deep. For the drinks. Has about 3 levels. Pretty deep. Fits right under this counter. Here at Walmart with these little munchkins. These little munchkins right here. And this little munchkin. And that munchkin is eating I don't know what. But we're grabbing some stuff to meal prep so we can stick in our mini fridge. She's Tabatoid. Nice. Which one?
This one's pretty. That one's like plain.
Or you just cook tomorrow?
Cuando?
Tomorrow morning.
Cuando? No, I don't get time in the morning.
Not even on an anniversary?
Tomorrow you're bringing me breakfast. Oh yeah, I don't have to. We should have did it tomorrow.
I know. Especially since I'm not going to work tomorrow.
Promise.
Promise.
Promise? Oh, for real, you're lying.
No problem. But I need to go one thing.
Stupid ass!
You traded days off.
Okay.
Oh, girl.
Yes, boy.
Yes, and that works. Let's go to bed. Let's put on Narcos and go to bed.
I told you, girl.
Until your kids find out.
Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It is July 20th, 2020. That means me and my wife have been married for 7 years now. We've been together for over 12 years, but we have been married for 7. A beautiful day. I'm going to go get some breakfast for my wifey, for my daughter, for my babies. So gonna go do that. Gonna pick up some flowers. Gonna pick up some balloons. I forgot my GoPro, that's why I'm recording on my phone, so it doesn't look too good. Sorry guys, but wanted to bring you along for this experience. I love my wife. I love her so much, and I want to show her how much she means to me. I wish I could do more today, but I couldn't. But yeah, guys, let's go get some breakfast and then let's do this. We are at Party City. Came over here, chose out some balloons, and we are going to get this done, guys. You'll see right now the setup. Here we go. Nice. Let's go. My baby's gonna love these. So we got the balloons. We're on our way. We're gonna pick up some flowers and a couple toys for my kids, because this is for them too. You know, our anniversaries are always family based, and this is for them too, because without them it wouldn't be the same. It would not be the same, I'm telling you. My babies. Alright guys, so I stopped by the 99-cent store here because I forgot that breakfast is only served till 12. So I gave the place I'm going to pick up breakfast a call. They stopped serving breakfast at 12, so I couldn't go to Walmart. So I came here instead real quick. I'm getting this for both my kids. They're gonna love that. Alrighty, so we got my beautiful baby. Her sunflowers. I always tell her that her eyes look like sunflowers. So got her those. Alrighty guys, so now we are literally driving to get our breakfast. Still have to order it there, get it, and then drive over home. Guys, we are on the freeway headed home. We got our breakfast, we got our flowers, we got our balloons, we got our baby's gift, so they can play as well and have some fun. So here we are, guys. Let's see if she loves it. Got the breakfast, we got the balloons, we got the flowers, we got our baby's gift there. So they open the door. Tabby Wabby. Here we go, here we go. Hi girl. Come on. You're so cute. Take on some. Kitty kitty. My love. I'm gonna get this for my baby. ¿Qué pasó? Hey, Nicky Butt! Vente, Nicky Butt! Hi, Papa! Hi, Papi! Hi, Gordo! Chica, come on! Vente! ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es, mamás?
I shoot.
Is that Ryan? Good boy. Want me to open it? Papi, open it?
No.
Okay, Papi, open it, okay?
No,
Yeah, let's open it, okay? Moscas, moscas. Let's open it, okay?
Okay.
Ven, papá. Ven, gordo.
Papi!
¿Qué te compró? Compró papi.
¡Yay, papi!
¿Miraste mis balloons? Mira mis globos que me compró papi.
Acá. Moscas, moscas.
Mosca, mosca. Oh, no.
Ayun, ayun.
Mira. ¡Wow!
Ya.
Your papi.
You're welcome, babies. Métete. No, acá. Aquí. Aquí.
Yo. ¿Tú también quieres ir?
Ay, papá, you okay? You okay? Sam. Catch this.
It's in it.
Catch this. Catch this. Let's see, rock, paper, scissors for the French toast. Go, Papas. Rock, paper, scissors. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors. Come on, Papas. Good.
Ay.
A ver.
Rock, paper. Quieren lo que tengo en la mano.
Cabrón.
Kyra. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I'll beat you.
Ven, mamás. Ven.
¿Quieres comer?
Comer. Chica Moni.
Vente, al lado de papi.
Nam nam. Nam nam. ¿Qué es eso?
Chita huevo.
Ketchup, huevo, salchicha. Winnie.
Winnie.
Winnie. ¿Te gusta? No, baby. Shit, look at him.
Papi, yo voy.
Tommy got nothing. 9 years old. Oh. You got that, papi?
¿Es okay?
Keep going, Papa. Ya.
Vete, súbete.
Ya que, órale, cabrón. Go. Look at him. All the way up.
9 months old,
That's why we can't leave him alone. Oh,
¿Qué hiciste? Si no va
shit. No,
para
no,
abajo,
no. Eso no, cabrón. Yeah, you're not ready for that one. You're not ready for that one. Look what happened to Papi when he tried.
A ver, no lo grabaste bien. Ay.
Fell downstairs, bro.
Ándale, súbete. Sammy.
Little boy.
Ah.
Not
Sammy,
you.
you're a girl. Siéntate. Siéntate, mija.
Sit
Siéntate.
down. Sit down.
Ajá. De pancita. De pancita. Así. Buen trabajo.
Look at this little guy. Look at him. Thinks he's all grown.
Ya se cansó, ¿verdad? No, no yet.
That kid stuff. Look at him. He climbed all the way up there by himself.
What? Oh my gosh, now we definitely need to build
Look at this little kid. What's wrong with you?
What?
What's wrong with you, boy?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. Mommy right here. We're right here, puppy.
You scare me. He's tired.
Seven.
All on his own.
The stairs go all the way up.
Nina.
The stairs, literally. Look at this boy.
Nina. Seven.
What's wrong with you?
All the way over there. I was by the picture frame and she said, "It's scary."
What gets scary?
Qué scary.
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
Let's go to Curaçao. What? ¿Cuáles son? A ver.
¿Quién es?
Papi
Papi.
and mommy.
Mami.
Oh, my baby.
Las flores, ¿verdad?
Oh, papá.
Se van a casar.
Ay,
¿Quieres
gordita.
este? ¿Los dos?
You're funny, Bobby. You're funny, Bobby. Oh, Bobby. So we're taking this bad boy. 10,000 BTUs. Not bad. Let's go. Meal prepping. Come on. Look at this salad, bro. Got the chicken up there in a bag. Come on, woman. Come on, woman. Check it out. Check. Ew, Sham. Simple, baby. Rice, ground beef. Get it in. Got my drinks, salads. Hola, Popeyes. Órale, papi. Yeah, gordito. Uh-oh. Vente, papi. Oh, Sammy. Sammy,
Despacito, mija, despacito. Dame despacito.
You okay. Oh my goodness, Popeye. Popeye.
He just turned 10 months.
Oh my goodness.
Not even with today's date.
Gordo. Popeye. Papa, you're not even 10 months yet, puppy. Tomorrow's your 10 months, Gordo. Gente, Papa, gente. Wow, puppy. What's happening, everybody? All right, so I'm over here. Headed to the storage real quick. I'm gonna pick up Buzz Lightyear and Zerg toy that we've had since Black Friday. So we're gonna pick one of those up. I have a bunch of them. Selling it for $35 on OfferUp. They're coming to pick it up right now. And I also sold a Patriots, New England Patriots. A New England Patriots hoodie. Sold out for $69.99. Sold it for $69.99. So yeah, guys, check it out. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go, guys. Let's get this money, yo. Get this money, yo. Check it out. Check it out. All right. All right, guys. Let's see. These are all the recent stuff that we just got, that we came over here too, that we just brought back to the storage. So like I said, it was this Patriots hoodie right here. See? And we're also going to take this bad boy right here. Alright. Let's go, guys. Let's
It's time you learned the truth.
go. So here it is, guys. That's the toy. We're about to sell an OfferUp. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Check it out, guys. So we got this. I'm not sure why I got two boxes, but I did. So let's see what these two boxes have. Also got that one right there, the big one. But honestly, I don't even remember what the heck I ordered anymore. So let's see what this has. Alright, so this big box has dun da 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 bam, bam, bam. Spoons. Ocho. They sent one. They literally just shipped one and his box. Crazy. Yep. One. These are originally like 7. They were on special for $2.99. I got 3 of them since we have a million kids coming in. Bye. Well, guys, I already sliced it open here so I can show you guys. Bam! Yes. Been wanting one of these bad boys for a long time. Finally got it for cheap because I know how much these cost. So I got this one for 50% off, guys. So I said, heck yeah, I needed it. I wanted it. I just never wanted to pay full price. So finally did. Finally got it. We get a lot of mail, a lot of junk mail, a lot of creditors. So finally said, you know what? I'm getting it. I am getting it. Nice. So I got this paper shredder. Let's see. Let's try it out. Guys, I don't need this. Bam. Wish it was crisp cut, but that'll do it. That will do it. Sup everybody, we have this package here. This is a package that we ordered from Amazon. This is for my kids. This is a code that we got that was about up to 99% off. So we went ahead and stacked it up to like $130 worth, and then paid because a lot of stuff on there was being out of stock. So I went ahead, and by the time I ended up paying, it was only $130 worth. So I paid, and it was came out to $11. $11, guys. So the thing was, I went back on there, I stacked it up to about $300, and when I went to pay, the promotion wasn't working anymore. It was only working for the first time. So I messed up, and I should have got way more stuff, but I got more stuff coming in. But this is 6 of the 8 items that I ordered. So check it out, guys. The first one we got here, honey, look. Oh, what is this? I don't even remember getting this one. I didn't think they had any in stock. What happened? But yeah, that's one. We'll open them right now, but let's just take them out. A lot of this stuff is for our new baby Aaliyah, and if not, it's for Sammy. But we'll see what we have. I believe this one's for Sammy. We'll open it right now. Get open it, honey. Pineapple.
Oh, you have a picnic hamper.
Open them, honey. And that's it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 2 more coming in, so I bought 8 for $11 shit. So let's open them up real quick and see what they are. Check it out, guys. So this is 6 to 12 months that I got for Aaliyah. She's gonna be wearing this. It's a little ready. It's for Sammy right now. For Sammy right now. Hopefully it fits her. If not, we'll keep it for Aaliyah as well. This one is also for Aaliyah. My baby gonna be looking so pretty. My baby gonna be looking so pretty. The back is open. Uh-oh.
Sammy.
Uh-oh. What's going on? 0 to 3 months as well. It goes tied up. This one's 0 to 3 months. So we got that. Get those out of the way.
I love it. They're so cute.
0 to 3 months. My little baby. The back open.
Is it a bathing suit?
I think so. I think this is a bathing suit. 0 3 months as well?
No, ese es de 9 meses.
9 months. So you guys have 2 more coming in. Got it all for $11, almost like 99% off with that secret code. What's up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Here we are. It's Thursday, July 20 something. But we're going over here. We're at the storage real quickly. We're gonna pick up another Buzz and Zerg, selling it on OfferUp as well. Also a Bo Peep. Selling it. I'm only selling it for both of them for 50. So making a quick buck here. We're gonna pick it up and let's go. All right, everybody, here we go. Let's get this money, yo. Oh, and turn the light on. I thought I did. What the hell? Man, my goodness. Oh, unless it's not turning on. There you go. That was weird. Alright, so we're getting one of those bad boys. We're getting one of these. We have another, that box down there is filled with these, so I got 3 more there. And this Bo Peep, which is right up there. I have more of her too, so let's go. Let's get in and go, guys. Let's go. Here we go, guys. So these are the ones they're selling. Check them out.
A ver, go. A cute face.
Hey, how you doing with the time? Usually you're up at 4:30 for a
A ver, hazle cute face.
Major League game, and we just won a Wendy's
No,
breakfast
ya no
commercial.
quieres. ¿Qué estamos mirando?
But it's good. It's a good different.
Let's go,
Dodgers.
Dodgers.
Maybe we have to put the alarm right.
They do. I see it right there.
Which is relevant to Major League Baseball from the KBO, which if you haven't seen it,
¿Qué es?
the broadcast is
Oh, dile a la cámara. Estamos mirando
5:30
Dodgers.
a.m. starts, but in
Baseball.
Korea, according to one of our insiders,
Again.
number 1 insider, Daniel Kim, the Korean baseball fans are going to be allowed back into the stadium beginning Sunday.
A ver, mad
Tickets will all
face.
be bought online. They'll all be
mad
wearing
face.
masks, but
Mad face. A
there
cute
is some
face. A silly
fans
face.
back in the stadium.
Enséñale la cámara. Enséñale.
Hey,
Where you going, Gordo? Check it out. I got this it's like a ukulele. I got it. Forgot for like $4 shipped. It just came in. Let's check it out. It's in this package.
Hi, son.
Let's open it up and see how it is.
Oh my God, is that your daughters?
Yep. Finally came, girl.
Mi amor, mi amor. You tell me that it's red, mi amor, mi amor. Cántalo.
What the? Yeah.
Where should I put my shoes, mi amor, mi amor? She said, put them on your head.
Ah!
this guy, here's what Groterol throws it about 100. If you recall,
Slow down, partner.
rumored to be in the involvement of trade with
I'm gonna
the
play
Red
this
Sox
song.
with medicals on him.
I'm gonna play this song.
They didn't want Brewstar,
My
so
goodness.
he ends up with the Dodgers.
Mini fridge, Mountain Dew mini fridge sold today, and a Buzz Lightyear and Zerg with a Bo Peep. $100. You